So guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be making breaded fish and potato salad. The reason is all those failures for pizza made me want to do something even more simpler.
Yes, and it was very simple. How many minutes? Like 10?
Yeah, this is fast. This
Yeah,
is
this is
fast.
fast.
So first we do the potato salad. It's very nice. Everything is on the screen written if you want to know. Why? Because I like to put it in the fridge. I like it served cold with the hot fish.
Yeah, and then for the fish, you like breaded fish.
I like breaded everything. So this time you're getting breaded fish. Next time expect breaded cheese or something.
The following time, a breaded steak.
Yeah. Ooh, okay.
Is there any
okay.
breaded steak?
I will.
No.
There will be. There should be. Okay, now that we have an idea for the next video, we're gonna switch to our fish here. So for the fish, just be gentle with it. It falls apart if you're rough. So that's
Please,
about
guys, say in the comments that you don't want a steak with breaded steak. Please, I'm not looking forward to eating breaded
You
steak.
don't even know it's gonna be great. At least for the video. Officially for the video, it's gonna be great. Yeah.
At least for the
gonna,
video.
It's gonna look great.
Oh my god. Okay, as long as I don't die. Okay, guys, please tell us in the comment section what food you want us to cook for you
Yeah.
next.
Yeah, that would be
If you
interesting.
can, yeah. Oh, who do you want?
Oh, there was one comment for
me to cook.
seafood risotto, and I think we're gonna be making that soon. Huh?
Next
What do you
week.
think?
Yeah, that's for sure. Please, guys, subscribe, like, and comment.
Bye.
Bye-bye.